March. It stretches all the way from Michigan down to the state of Texas. We find ourselves on the southern end of this line as a lot of active weather continues to move over the same parts of the country that have had to deal with storms over the past week or so. It's a very similar setup. Thankfully, limited severe potential for most of us today. We have seen some warnings issued to our north and east. Those have been allowed to expire. The biggest problem we're seeing unfold right now, it's flooding, and that goes for multiple states along this line, including right here in North Texas. The latest for the National Weather Service, we've got a flash flood warning. Now looks like we've got a second one they've built in down to the south of this. I imagine very similar concerns where we've got anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain falling per hour. That's just too much rain all at once. We will likely see a lot of this, unfortunately, continue as rain moves over the area through the rest of the morning. This top one I've got highlighted here, it's in effect for parts of Collin and Dallas County until 11 a.m. It looks like the second one that built out down to the south includes the rest of Dallas County and parts of Rockwall County as well as we continue to move again through the morning hours, and heavy rain rolls through the area. This is estimated rainfall totals from radar, so these are not official observations, but gives you a good indication of why these warnings are being issued this morning, because we've got anywhere from maybe as low as a quarter, half an inch to upwards of 2.5, 3 inches falling, and rain continues to pour over those same areas. So when you add rain to already saturated soils or already ponding roadways, that's when we get the concern for flooding. A look right now closer to home at our Doppler radar continues to move in. It's a lot of flashes of lightning, and we've seen some really gusty winds roll through the area as well. This is some of our peak wind gusts recorded across North Texas this morning. This all fueled by a cold again all the way down to the Lone Star State. And we're obviously getting the southern tail of this morning. Rain and rumbles for a good portion of North Texas. Now seeing some backbuilding down into parts of the big country as well. Some of the more active parts of this line have kind of sat in the southern plains and now stretching into the Midwest, where we've seen most of the severe weather unfold and now most of the flooding, as well as this front continues to march through Missouri and then exit out through parts of Illinois and Kentucky and also parts of Arkansas, getting a lot of severe weather this morning. You can see the polygons there from 2 different severe thunderstorm warnings, 2 flash flood warnings. It's a lot of active weather, and it's kind of the same area that's been seeing rounds of this over the past week or so. We also have parts of Arkansas and Louisiana, even far east Texas, under a tornado watch this morning. Thankfully for us here in North Texas, not expecting rotation of really any kind. And overall severe threat back toward the west, much lower. Ingredients just not as favorable or conducive to producing those kind of strong storms this morning. We do have one warning in effect just to the south and east of Abilene. This primarily warned for quarter-sized hail. Radar indicated. I haven't seen any reports of that for the time being. It is tracking to the north and east, so we will keep eyes on that. We also have 2 different flood advisories in effect as heavy rain continues to move over western parts of our area. Look closer at home. Doppler radar right now. Again, about 15 minutes ahead of your 8 o'clock hour.